Earlier today, Pika, the famous AI text-to-video generator, has announced a big update. Pika 1.0. From the demo video it released, we can see the animation is more fluent, the lighting is more cinematic, and it seems like we can better control the camera movement to a larger scale. In this demo, the camera's moving track is quite big and the object stays in the middle. And this one, the camera is like moving through the objects with good depth of field. What's more, the actions of the object is much more natural, compared with the former versions. Here is a quick glance at the interface. You can type in your prompt, or drop in an image, even a video to generate another video. Like this. The resolution is now 1080p, and it has a change area and an expand buttons. The change area is something very awesome. From the demo video, you can select an area and type in your prompt to change it to something else, in a video, not just photos. That's amazing. I think this would be a great challenge and also a big opportunity for visual effects. The expand is like Mid-Journey, but more than that. You can expand your video canvas to different aspect ratio. That's cool for creators. There are of course something not so perfect in the demo video. You can see the robot's legs are not connected with the body, and the fingers don't look so well. They are morphing weirdly. And if you look closely, the details are actually blurry, maybe like low bitrate 1080p quality. If you have high demand on image and video quality, I'd recommend using Hitpor AI for photo and video enhancement. It can easily upscale your low-quality image or video to super high resolution, with details greatly improved. Check out the official link in the description if you are interested. According to the team, Pika 1.0 will be available soon on both Discord and web. You can add it to the waitlist on the official website. I will also put the link in the description. The team says they start rolling out access to Pika 1.0 from today. Let's look forwards to it. That's it for the share. If this video helps, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tools and tips. Share your comments below and I'd be happy to read them. Thanks for watching.